Hello students, today in this session of social we are going to continue with the chapter that we have started, chapter number 15, equality. Right, now we will talk about equality. Suffrage means equality in our democracy, equality in voting, right? To enroll a vote, to cast a vote, right? Now, as I told you that we see that everyone is given a chance, or everyone has of various kind, whether a person is of various kind, is having equality in our constitution, as our constitution follows democratic government. Democratic government is the rule of the people, by the people, and for the people. It means everything is for the people, by the people, and of the people. In short, everything is for people, for the welfare of public. So that is what democratic government. Now our democratic government is formed by the voting system. How it is formed? It is formed by a voting system. It means you have to cast a vote to your favorite candidate, to if but not only favorite, but they should do something for the welfare of the country, for the welfare of the nation, for the welfare of us, of every state, right? For small village or for whatever. So that is what democratic rule starts with voting system, right? Now starting from the smallest unit, that is gram panchayat, to the largest unit, that is parliament, each and everyone follows democratic rule or democratic government. Okay, now students, gram panchayat is the smallest unit and parliament is the largest unit. So everyone, whether a small unit or larger unit, every constitution, every unit works with the voting system. That is our democratic government. In this way, democratic government formed, right? Now every citizen above the age of this, you should know that, because we have already learned this many times, right? So every citizen above the age of 18 has right to cast a vote. Any citizen registered in the electoral roll, or who has the election card, can cast a vote to their favorite candidate. Okay, and who can cast the vote for people or for the party they want, right? For example, right now, which is the ruling party? Bharatiya Janata Party is the ruling party, that is BJP, right? So in this way, we people has right to select our candidate, our government. We people have right to to get equality by the voting system. Okay, now equality is given to everyone, whether of different religion, language, gender, dialect is kind of language only, or economic differences, whether poor, rich, that all doesn't matters. Each and everyone has right to vote or to cast vote. Now there are also interesting details about the right to vote. Voters are made aware of not to vote under any fear, any threat, or any intimidation. It means not a single person, or not even a single top executive or governor executive, or any party can force you, can threat you, or can give you a fear to cast their vote to them, right? So this is the main thing that we should know. Now the election commission makes arrangement to explain the importance of voting, right? Of course, right now it is in your book. It means I am teaching you what is the importance of voting. If you will vote, then only our future generation, right, will be secure. Then only someone will rule our country, and there will be one we can say rules and regulation, common rules and regulations for everyone, right? Common thing for everyone. So that is what, that is for equality, right? Now how it takes place. Special arrangements are done for the voting. The election commission used to conduct election impartially and in a fair manner. It is in a very fair manner, and it is secret. For example, if I am voting, no one will come to know to whom I have vote, right? I have to just go and just to press the party that I want to win, right? So other candidate will not come, because we have to go one by one. So other candidate will not come to whom I have vote. That is because I am not going to share it with everyone. It is my choice, right? So that is what, that in this way special arrangements are done for the voters. And there are special polling booths for women. For women also there is different polling booths. For men there are different polling booths, right? Different polling booths for we can say senior citizens, right? So in this way different uh, categories are there, and arrangements are there for the voters. We people gets a lot of arrangement and lots of security, right? Many police we can say that men are standing near there, right? Because of course it's a we can say that there should be no risk, right, of anything. That is why the arrangements are very proper, and it is done in very fair manner, right? Now this is what about equality in suffrage. Each and everyone gets the chance to vote their favorite candidate. Now next we are going to learn about child labor. Now child labor law, we can say that it's a major problem in India. We Child labor means a small child whose age is to study, to get education, to get knowledge, but he is working somewhere. Why? Because they don't have money, so they have to work like this, right? So the constitution provides specific guidance on the aspects of equality. Despite that inequality is seen sometimes, child labor is one such inequality. They don't have to work hard for their living. They have to study. Their age is to study. So that is completely inequality. Means it is inequality. Some students are studying and some are not studying. So that is what? Inequality. Right. So this is inequality. So all the citizens of our country from the age to 6 to 14 have a right to free, compulsory and universal education. They are not supposed to work anywhere. Nowadays it is banned also. Child labor is banned, right? Now this is right for equally granted. This is equal for each and every child. Now the practice of not educating daughters in higher education is still seen in some places, right? In some places we can still see this inequality, that if it's a child girl, then no need to girl child, then no need to do any higher education for a girl child, because she is gonna marry and she is going to go to another house and she is going to see the kitchen, or she is going to work in the kitchen. So this is the only work for women? No, nowadays women can equally do the work that men are doing. So why this inequality? So this is also one inequality, right? That is seen in many places, right? It is considered as a crime if children work at the age when they have to go to school. Now children is the age where when they can learn, they can study, they can be educated. If the citizens of India are educated, then only it is possible that India can become a developed country, right? Right? Yes or no? A developed nation. When India can be a developed nation? When each and every individual is literate, each and every individual is employed, or each and every individual has the right they are having, but right for education. But it's like government are providing many schemes, right? Government are doing for many things for public welfare, but it's the means even we have to change as a citizen. Even we have to change. If you see any children working, or if you see something like that, you need to give them knowledge that your age is to study. Please study well right now, right? So such things we have to change. Even government is providing free education and free different facilities to the people, but to study or not, that depends on us. So it is the means even citizen has to decide something or to learn something for the nation. And even it is a violation of a law to employ children for any work under the age of 14 years. If a children is under the age of 14 se niche, then that is crime. You can get punishment, as our law does not entertain this, as the child age is to study, to go to school, right, not to do the work, right? So this is what child labor. Now next is labor and remuneration, that we are going to start in next session, along with equality in democracy. Inequality is a challenge. These 3 points